Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I know I'm a little late with my Inspired by project, but um, I finally finished it. So, for this project, Lisa, whom is a happy crafter, Lisa, we were inspired by a video that Positively Papercraft, I believe her name is Anne. We saw a video that she had posted on an advent calendar. So this is our advent calendar. This was, let me see. Okay. This was our take on her advent calendar. And it is really, she says over and over, it's really simple to make. And yes, it is simple to make. It just takes a little, a little bit of time. But this is the front of my advent calendar. I did use Lisa's stocking that she released this month. This one is the large one, and it is so cute, guys. I just love this little stocking. It is adorable. So I'll put a little candy cane in the stocking, Santa on the front, and it's got the toe and the heel, and then the fuzzy top. So, and I made some poinsettias to put here in this little cluster right here with some greenery. And it's going to be kind of hard because it's a rather large. So this is the spine and this is the back. So I used a couple of paper collections for this one. So here's the top, and of course the side looks the same, and then the bottom. So I did use ribbon to close it up with, and Anne at Positively Papercraft, she, if you go watch her video, which I will link in the description box, she put light in hers. I did not use the lights because all I had was red. You can imagine what red might look like, but I had red and purple lights. I could have sworn I had white and I couldn't find any. So I opted not to use the lights. So here is my advent calendar, guys. It is so cute. And yes, it is easy to make. It is a bit time consuming, I will say that. But all my boxes are numbered. This is one collection, and then the outside of the box is another collection along with the back of the scenery here. And this is where Anne used the lights on the inside, and it would have been great had I had white lights, but I just don't. So I just put trees here, a little reindeer, um, Santa Claus, another candy cane, a little snowman. And then on this side, Santa's on the back. Let me see if you can see that. With the trees, there's a light, Christmas light, a penguin, another snow, well, this one's a snow woman, and some more trees and a gift, some snowflakes on the back. So super fun. It was fun. Guys, I love the embellishing part. I love embellishing. So each box is numbered. So where's number 1? And I just think that's fun. I don't like to put the numbers in order just because I like, for you to have to search. So here's number 1, and they do open down this way. And they are empty at the moment, but I am going to fill them up. And there's number 1. Here's number 2, and then so on. They do go up to 24. And I actually thought about putting 25 right here, just one long box. But then 25 leads into Christmas Day. So, honestly, you just don't need it. But yes, it was easy to make because you make it like in sections. You don't make the entire thing, you just make it in sections, which breaks down the process. So it makes it a lot easier. So I am going to fill this up. Some boxes will have sweet treats. Some of them will have crafty treats. And what I am going to do is I'm going to give this away, guys. So I'm going to give this to one of you lucky winners. All you have to do, guys, is like, comment, and then go to Lisa's channel and watch her box, and like and comment on her project for this month. That's all you have to do. And I will draw a winner. Let me see. I will draw, I didn't think, I hadn't thought about the date, but I will draw a winner probably on the 22nd, 23rd. You'll just have to check my next video and see if it's the giveaway winner. Just because I want you to have this before Christmas, that way, or that way you can start, if you're going to open them one by one, you can start on day 1 of December. So yeah, that's all you have to do. I will have Lisa, I haven't even asked her yet. I will ask her. I will pick a winner, random, the random generator, whatever it's called. And I will ask Lisa, I haven't even asked her, I will ask Lisa if she can check to make sure that you left a comment and you liked her video. Okay, guys, that's all you have to do. Comment on both videos, like both videos, and I will pick a winner with the random generator. I forget what it's called. Anyway, I will pick a winner and I will let you guys know if you won. All right, guys, I know it's short, but like I said, I have a lot to do. So I thought I would make it short and just show you my take on the inspiration that we got from Positively Papercraft. And you will find her video in the description box along with Lisa's channel so that you could go watch her video, like and comment, and to be entered for a chance to win my box. Like I said, some of them will have sweet treats, and then some of them will have crafty items in there. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.